Hey everyone, Mrs. Johnson here again. I recently just found out that there is another faster way to submit an assignment to Schoology, and so I wanted to make a follow-up video to show you how you can do that. So as you can see, I'm in my CATS 101 page again because this is an assignment that requires a submission. I'm going to select Resubmit an Assignment. Yours would say Submit Assignment. Then I'm going to select Resources. Then over here, as you can see, it says Apps. I'm going to select that icon. Then it has automatically selected Google Drive Resources. That links me right up to my Google Drive, and then I can type in the assignment that I'm looking for. Once I find the assignment that I want to link to the submission folder, I'm going to check that box and select Import. As you can see, I have successfully imported that document, and now I have submitted my assignment. Thanks for watching, everyone.